Hey, what's up, tech lovers? It's Anjan here, and today we've got something huge to talk about: the all new iPhone 16 lineup. Whether you're here for the budget friendly iPhone 16 or the powerhouse iPhone 16 Pro Max, I've got you covered. This video is packed with all the details, comparisons, and everything you need to decide which iPhone fits your lifestyle. So grab a snack, settle in, and let's break down Apple's latest releases model by model. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, let's first look at the big picture. Apple has launched 4 models this year: iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Each of these models brings something different to the table, targeting a wide range of users. Whether you're a casual user or a power user, there's an iPhone for you. Let's kick things off with the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. These are the models for people who want high performance without breaking the bank. First up, the design. The iPhone 16 comes in a 6.1-inch size, while the iPhone 16 Plus features a larger 6.7-inch display. Both models retain the sleek, flat edge design we've come to love, but the bezels are now thinner, giving the phones a more modern and immersive look. Both of these models come packed with the A18 Bionic chip. This means lightning fast performance for gaming, multitasking, and everyday use. Apple promises up to 20% more efficiency, meaning better battery life, which is critical for heavy users. The main difference between the two? Besides screen size, the Plus version gives you an even bigger battery, making it perfect for anyone who's always on the go. You'll easily get through a full day, even with heavy usage. Let's talk about the camera. Both models feature a dual camera system, and it's even better than last year's. With upgraded low light capabilities and improved stabilization, your photos and videos will come out looking pro level, no matter what. Now let's talk about the big boys, the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max. These are for those of you who want cutting edge technology and aren't afraid to pay a little extra for it. The iPhone 16 Pro comes with a 6.3-inch display, while the Pro Max ups it to a massive 6.9-inch. And yes, both come with Apple's promotion 120Hz refresh rate, giving you super smooth scrolling and animations. Great for gamers, social media addicts, or anyone who loves a premium feel. But what's really exciting this year is the new chip. Both the Pro and Pro Max come equipped with the A18 Bionic chip, Apple's most powerful chip yet. With more cores, it handles intense tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and high-end gaming without breaking a sweat. Combine this with up to 1 TB of storage, and you've got a beast of a phone that can store massive amounts of data and handle anything you throw at it. Let's not forget the Pro camera system. Both models come with a triple camera setup, including the new periscope zoom lens on the Pro Max, offering up to 6x optical zoom. Whether you're shooting landscapes or close-ups, the Pro Max will blow you away. And with improved LiDAR scanning, night mode is even more impressive, creating depth and detail in low light settings. Perfect for photography enthusiasts. All iPhone 16 models come with iOS 18, and let me tell you, Apple has really leveled up their software game. We've got features like live voicemail transcription, interactive widgets, and improved multitasking, especially on the Pro models. One of my favorite features is the improved FaceTime Now with new gestures and FaceTime audio messages. Perfect for those moments when you can't pick up the call but still want to leave a message. Then there's multitasking. On the Pro models, iOS 18's multitasking is buttery smooth, especially with that 120Hz refresh rate. If you love productivity on your phone, you'll love these updates. Battery life across the board has been improved thanks to more efficient chips and optimized software. You can expect all-day battery life even with heavy usage, and the Pro Max easily stretches beyond a day. Fast charging is also improved, and yes, all models support wireless charging. For the Pro Max, you can get from 0 to 50% in just under 30 minutes with the right charger. Now let's talk about pricing. The iPhone 16 starts at around $799, the 16 Plus at $899, and the Pro models start at $999 for the Pro and $1,199 for the Pro Max. But of course, with more storage you can go well beyond that. So which iPhone should you get? If you're looking for a balance of performance and price, the iPhone 16 or 16 Plus will be perfect. But if you want the absolute best, the Pro and Pro Max deliver a premium experience that's unmatched in the smartphone market right now. And that's it for today's breakdown of the iPhone 16 lineup. Which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on more tech reviews and updates.